Hello, on the screen is a summary of what I will go over in this video. Make sure to watch to the end so you don't miss anything. Step 1. Start by going to your PlayStation home screen and locate the profile icon in the top left corner. Click on it and select the option to add or switch user. This will bring up a list of all profiles on your console. Step 2. If you don't already have the profile you want to use, you'll need to create a new user account on your PS. Just follow the prompts and choose a username that matches what you want. Step 3. Once you have the correct profile selected, launch FORTNITE from that account. The game will start up and you'll see the Epic Games login screen. Step 4. On the login screen, enter the email address and password for the FORTNITE account you want to use. Make sure you're using the correct Epic Games credentials for the account you're switching to. Step 5. After logging in successfully, your new FORTNITE account will load with all your cosmetics, skins, and Battle Pass progress. You can now play with this account whenever you sign into that PS profile. Just remember to log out when you're done if others use your console.